when the righteous start to pray. Mountains echo back me cry. Spirit rise, it can't deny. From the earth come the humble man with the fire in him eye. River of Babylon, wash my soul clean. Take my pain, take my worries, keep me heart serene. From Kingston to Zion, shall light a beam. Me a chant down corruption, me a live me dream. Hear me now, truth heavier than the chains them tie we with. But the wise man knows that freedom starts inside the mind of the little youth, the elder and the spirit we for cred. Any system we try blind, we from the sign we Jah provide. Stand firm on your feet, no fear, no shame, no pride. Cause when the water rise and the world tell lies, only Jah keep your eyes on the righteous prize. River of Babylon, wash my soul clean. Take my pain, take my worries, keep me heart serene. From Kingston to Zion, Jah love unseen. Me a chant down oppression, me a live me dream. Real talk, life hard, but Jah nah make you walk alone. Every trial of the stepping stone, feed the youth them where Jah call his own. So me trust steady true, the valley where Babylon build. But the river teach patience, and the river teach will. So when the night get cold, and your spirit feels shaken, hold tight to Jah word, it can't be overtaken. River of Babylon, flow through my vein, guide my steps, till the trumpet sound again.
Down by the river of Babylon, me walk and reason slow. Watch the water carry stories where the ancients used to know. Jahveri a whisper truth, say stand firm and never sway. Cause Babylon a crumble when the righteous start to pray. Mountains echo back me cry, spirit rise it can't deny. From the earth come the humble man with the fire in his mind. River of Babylon, wash me soul clean. Take me pain, take me worries, keep me heart serene. From Kingston to Zion, Jah light a beam. Me a chant down corruption, me a live me dream. River of Babylon, wash me soul clean. Take me pain, take me worries, keep me heart serene. From Kingston to Zion, Jah light a beam. Me a chant down corruption, me a live me dream. Hear me now, truth heavier than the chains them tie we with. But the wise man knows say freedom start inside the mind of the little youth, the elder and the spirit we forbid. Any system we try blind, we from the sign we Jah provide. Stand firm on your feet, no fear, no shame, no pride. Cause when the water lies and the world tell lies, only Jah keep your eyes on the righteous pride. River of Babylon, wash me soul clean. Take me pain, take me worries, keep me heart serene. From Kingston to Zion, Jah light a beam. Me a chant down corruption, me a live me dream. River of Babylon, wash me soul clean. Take me pain, take but Jana make you walk alone. Every trial are the stepping stone for the youth them where Jah call his own. So me trot steady through the valley where Babylon build, but the river teach patience and the river teach will. So when the night get cold and your spirit feels shaken, hold tight to Jah word, it can't be overtaken. River of Babylon flow through me vein, guide me steps till the trumpet sound again. River of Babylon, wash me soul clean, take me pain, keep me worries, keep me heart serene. From Kingston to Zion, Jah light a beam. Me a chant down corruption, me a